Here's a completed Rustic Vibes Shawlette, and have a look at that gorgeous edge. So we've got the bobble row which you've just done, and then the next row is just a plain knit on the wrong side, and then back to the right side and we do the Channel Island cast off, which creates that little edge, which I think looks really nice with the bobbles. So you can see that there. So I will show you how to do the Channel Island cast off. And how beautiful is this? So squishy and just yum. Okay, so here's my little sample. So the first step, and it's the same right from the very beginning. So the first step is to cast on 2. So we just do that, the normal knitted cast on. So instead of taking the stitch off, we just add it to the left hand needle. So we've cast on 1. Do that again, cast on 2. Then the second stitch is passed over the front stitch like that, and repeat that. So we do that twice. Then holding our yarn at the back of our work, slip that first stitch over from the left to the right, slip it purlwise. Okay, so our working yarn is now on the right needle. Knit the next 2 stitches together. Slide these along so it's a bit easier. Right, so we have 2 stitches on the right side, so we're going to pass the back stitch over the front stitch. Now we have 1 stitch on the right side, so we're going to slip that back over to the left and repeat the process. So knitted cast on 2 stitches, 1, 2, pass the second stitch over the first stitch. You may need to hold that first stitch in position with your left index finger just so it doesn't slip off. So, and we repeat that, so do that again. Oops, there we go. Okay, now we're holding in the yarn at the back of our work, we're going to slip that from the left needle to the right needle, knit 2 stitches together, pass that back stitch over the front stitch. We now have 1 stitch on the right, so we're going to pass that back to the left and start the process again with our 2 cast on. And there you can see that beautiful edge. So it is a little bit fiddly, takes a bit of time, but you do get the hang of it quickly, and I think it's worth it for that nice finish. If you think it's not for you, you're welcome just to do a normal looser cast off.